good morning. So another day for vlogging. So today I've put the open back on the back of the GoPro to kind of catch the sound a little bit better, because I'm taking the bike to a dealership because the front wheel bearings seem to be making a noise. You'll notice when I get about 40 to 50 miles per hour, you'll start hearing a singing sound, and it's coming off the front end. So I'm going to let them check it. It was doing it before I got the front tire replaced, and that did not help. So I'm going to have another dealer take a look at the bearings, see if that might be the problem. It did it once before, about 20,000 miles ago. So it could be time again to replace the bearings.
Drive 6.7 miles.
What the van doesn't know is it's actually helping me capture the sound of that front wheel bearing. So I don't mind them going slow. Old Softail riding in the right lane. Guys, looks like he's traveling. He's got a tent, sleeping bag, some luggage. He's right behind me now. Oh, now he's back in the right lane. Yeah, old graybeard. Sweet. Got a few little odds and ends, not a lot of stuff. No saddlebags. I wonder if that's a Evo motor on that bike. It looks like he has buckboard handlebars. That's the life right there. Appears to be a victory. Yep. Morning. The amount of miles I put on a bike. Thank goodness I had the extended warranty. That saved me about a little over $100. Porsche. So anyway, time for me to head home. Got chores to do today.